Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your trial lineup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps this here and there you're looking for a try line app. We'll just click on search. Then here at try line up it's going to show for you like this, click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on for stop here, then you click on OK, then you go down here, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.